I'm Jamie from Brother Projects.
I'm Nathan from Brother Projects.
Brother Projects sort of started with, I guess, Nathan and I are brothers, and Nathan's a carpenter and I'm actually a wall and floor tiler by trade. Started off small and then we progressively went from bathroom renovations into small renovations, into small heritage home renovations and into the bigger renovations and then into the knockdown rebuilds.
I do speak to some people and sort of go, how do you work with your brother and in a business relationship? But I think Jamie and I have worked a good system out over the years. He has his jobs, I have my jobs, and it is easy in the way that we have a similar thought process. We are trying to achieve the same outcome. So there's this sort of relationship there that you don't need to manage because it is family. You sort of know who each other are and you do your thing.
The winner is Brother Projects for their
House of the Year is very, we are very, very chuffed by winning that award. And from the day dot that we set out in business, that was one of our goals in business, was to hopefully one day potentially win House of the Year. So for us to actually achieve that, we're very excited and very humbled by able to finally have got to that point.
I really love creating beautiful things, building things, doing different things each day. To bring a client's dream to life is a very unique position to be put in, and I guess I get motivation from being able to be that person and to see the excitement on their face when you can create something that they didn't really know how to put together is pretty unique. And I really get enjoyment out of that, and it gives me drive to keep going. I sort of want to be able to impress them and go over their expectations, and it just sort of makes me more passionate the more I get that right.
This year's award goes to Nathan
to receive Young Builder of the Year award. Blown away on the night, to be honest. To get that, I think, industry recognition for some of the work that we do it's amazing.
So for him to win that award for the effort that he puts in, the relationships he builds with clients, the technical difficulty of stuff that comes along, and it never phases us. You know, the more technical difficulty it is, the better Nathan thrives on that. And for him to get a bit of credit and be noted for that, I'm very, very proud of how that's played out.
The next challenge, what's it going to be? We don't really know, but we are always on the hunt for more interesting projects. How can we push the boundaries? I think when people come and say it can't be done, again, even more motivation that, well, yes, it can be. Let's do this.